and you get to a point where you just want to end your knitting. Okay, I'm through. I don't want to knit anymore. How do I get my needle off the knit? I left a little bit of a cast of a tail, and this is called bind off. Y esto se llama cerrar los puntos. Se tejen dos puntos, derecho, igual, como siempre. Knit 2 stitches, like this. Then, with your left needle, you're going to go into the first stitch, move it over the second stitch, and let it go. So there you have one stitch. Another cast off stitch is the same thing. Knit 1 stitch, bring the back stitch over the stitch in the front, let go. Again, se teje un punto, se toma el punto de atrás, sobre el punto de adelante, se suelta. ¿Ya? ¿Ya estás viendo? Que se están soltando. Ya está cerrando el punto, el tejido. You see? So that is called binding off. So I'm going to pick up a little bit of speed. And knit 1 stitch, bring the back stitch over the front stitch, pull a little bit, not too tight, and we do this. Is it horrible?
No.
¿Se está viendo? Estás más callado, estás bien concentrado.
Oye, es claro, es que esto no te creas que es fácil, ¿eh?
Ay, perdona.
No, digo que no yo, el hacer el tejido este es difícil.
El tejido.
Tejer no es fácil.
El tejer es fácil, el
Sí, claro,
grabar es el problema.
Grabar es una bobada.
Okay.
El tejer es difícil.
No, it's super easy to knit. Okay, so when you get to the last stitch, okay, you have 1 stitch in your left hand and you have 1 stitch on the right. So you knit that one last stitch, wrap it around, take the back stitch over the front stitch, and then you're gonna have like this super long tail. Well, and you just pull. I think that's how you close it, and there it is. So you're free.
You have 1 minute left.
1 minute left to say that you can then weave in your ends. This is the garter stitch. It's pretty stretchy. You can make a scarf with this if you want to add more stitches to the width. Then this is like 12 stitches. You can add like 24 stitches and just go ahead and knit. All rows in the knit stitch to create a garter stitch. Cast off, you have a scarf. What I did with mine was that I made like a little book marker, but you can do whatever you want with your sample. Okay. Thank you for tuning in. Gracias. Puedes tejer una bufanda con esta misma puntada, montas como unas 24 puntos y tejes todos en punto derecho hasta el largo que quieras y ya tienes una bufanda. Gracias.
Bye.
Fatal. Bye.